Hey there, this is Raj Techchandani from Smart Capital bringing you yet another piece of pie. That is passive investor education for investing in real estate. These pieces are informational nuggets that I have collected and researched over years and now want to share them with you so you don't have to go through sifting books, blogs, websites just to understand what they are. Today's piece is on accredited investors. If you are looking to passively invest in a real estate syndication, it's only a matter of time that you will be asked this question. Are you an accredited investor? Why is that? 2 words, SEC regulations. Real estate syndications are offered under SEC guidelines, which restricts only accredited investors in certain deals. You can find out whether you are an accredited investor or not based on a few simple criteria. So who is an accredited investor? We'll define that at first and then take 2 examples to explain in some more details. You ready? So to be an accredited investor, you must have 1. An annual income of $200,000 or $300,000 for joint income for the past 2 years and expect to earn the same or higher income this year. Or 2. You have to have a net worth of $1 million, not counting your primary home. Let's recap that. To be an accredited investor, you must have 1. Have an annual income of $200,000 or $300,000 joint income for the past 2 years and expect to earn the same amount this year. Or have a net worth of $1 million, not counting your primary home. Now let's take a couple of examples. We have an investor, I'll just refer to him as AJ. AJ was recently promoted at his Wall Street job, makes $200,000 annual income now. His primary home is worth $1 million. He has $650K in his 401k and $350,000 between his savings and his brokerage accounts. He still owes $100,000 balance from his student college loans. Again, AJ has $200K of annual income, $1 million home, $650K in his 401k, and $100K balance in his student loan. So is AJ an accredited investor? The answer is no. Even though he has reasons to believe that he will continue to make that $200,000 salary in the coming years, his annual income over the past 2 years has been below $200,000 criteria. AJ's net worth is $650K plus the $350K minus the $100K of loan, which equals to $900K. Since his net worth is just under $1 million, AJ does not qualify to be an accredited investor. Let's take another example. Let's meet Barry and his wife, Michelle. Again, the real names have been modified to protect their identity. Barry is a physician and earns $250,000 per year. Michelle teaches at a local school and makes $40,000. Their primary home is valued at $700,000. They also bought a single family vacation rental in Orlando that's for $400,000. Still have a balance of $100,000 on that. They have $250K in savings and about $500K in retirement. Michelle also recently inherited $200,000 in inheritance money. Again, Barry and Michelle have $290K of income, a primary value home of $700K, a vacation home of $400K with a $100K balance, savings of $250K, and $500K in money. Inheritance money is $250K. So let's see if Barry and Michelle are accredited investors. Based on their income alone, they do not qualify since their joint income is below $300,000. Now let's look at their net worth, excluding their primary residence. So $400,000 in the vacation rental home minus the $100,000 balance. They have $250K savings and $500K in retirements. They also have a $200K of inheritance money, giving them a total net worth of $1.2 million. Because they meet one of the 2 criteria, Barry and Michelle are accredited investors. As SEC sees it, being accredited investor means that you have figured out how to accumulate some wealth and that you are savvy enough to understand the risks involved in a real estate syndication. If you're not accredited investors and still interested in investing in real estate, you can do that, and we'll talk about that in another segment of Piece of Pie. I hope you enjoyed today's piece of pie, that is passive investor education content. For more such nuggets and tons of other resources to help you invest passively and get to that financial freedom you so deserve, check out our website at smartcapitalmgmt.com. Also, if you haven't signed up for our free course, The 8 Pieces of Pie, I would highly recommend that you do so. It's an 8-part course where you get one piece of passive investor educational content every day in your email. You can sign up with that at smartcapitalmgmt.com/pieces of pie. Until another time, be well. This is Raj signing.